Hello everyone. Are you having this problem in AutoCAD? We select the object and give command, but the selection is cancelled and prompts us to select objects once again. Like this, you select objects and try to move by move command. But instead of asking for base point, our selection is cancelled. Or we will always have to give the command first before selecting the objects. So, here is the solution. There are two ways you can follow for solving this problem. First method is you type OP command. Go to Selection tab. At this selection mode options, this very first option, noun/verb selection option, is not selected. Click here, click on Apply and click OK. The problem is solved. We can check. Select the object and give Move command. We can click for the base point and move. The another method is by typing the command, PICKFIRST. Type PICKFIRST and press Enter. The PICKFIRST value shown here is 0, type 1, and press Enter. The problem will be solved. We can use any one method, they are same. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not hesitate to support by sharing, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. There are many useful tutorial videos and free downloads on this channel which help you to master on AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting!